let's first say that inevitably, if you're growing, I don't know if you can fully bypass hiring people to help you scale. Okay. The question is, what type of people are you hiring, and where are you investing in your human capital to support that scale? ERP systems, accounting systems, finance systems, operational systems that integrate into finance systems can absolutely reduce the amount of effort it takes and time it takes to manage a growth and scaling business. What I mean by this is, if you have a CRM, and that CRM is where your sales people interact from a sales operations, and when a client signs, it's done in there, and when that client signs in there, it creates a customer in your ERP. It doesn't matter how many more customers that you have, that operation will always happen automatically. However, if that operation is manual and you have a human doing that, well, then you're going to need a second human once you get to a certain level, and a third once you get to another level. And this is where systems can help you avoid hiring what I would call tactical or non-strategic positions. What my goal always, whether it's for myself, or for my clients, is how do we look at every hire as a strategic hire, that it solves something that maybe automation doesn't, and it brings an additional value add to the organization. So if I scale up with triple the number of customers over a year, I'm making this up, obviously. If I increase, threefold number of customers over a year, maybe I want to hire an additional business analyst or data analyst to help me segment my client data into a more informative approach that gives me information, because maybe my growth had to do with new regions, new products, or a new methodology around sales. And now I want somebody to go in and evaluate what we're doing. Did our strategy from a operational perspective actually pay dividends from a results side of things? The systems can help with that, but this is where, if we go back to some of my conversations around AI, is I don't think AI is replacing positions. I think it's rediverting our focus on what positions are most needed and valuable to us. I know this isn't a conversation about AI, but there's a correlation between the two. So systems in general, again, finance systems, operating systems in general can help reduce the need for manual labor to help you scale, but doesn't necessarily eliminate the need to invest in strategic positions within an organization.